Good morning.
Good morning.
It is time for our early bird prize drawings for our volunteers that turned in their intent forms by this past Sunday. So we're going to pull out some names, and we got some Sonny's gift cards we're going to be giving away to some lucky people. So, you want to go first?
All right. This is for names that were in the nursery, kaleidoscope, and preschool early bird drawing. So the first $25 restaurant, Sonny's, goes to Jennifer Prescia. Congratulations.
All right, and here's one for the preschool, or no, for the elementary. And the first person is Tiffany Roberts.
All right.
All right.
Okay. Gift card number 2 from the nursery, preschool, goes to Shelly Combs, Sunday night worker.
Awesome.
Good job, Shelly.
All right, and person number 2 for elementary is John Nemchek. Good job, John. Congratulations.
Number 3 is Teresa Haney.
Awesome. All right, let's see. Number 3 for elementary is Jill Scott.
All right.
All right.
Okay, the last one.
Should we have a drum roll?
Drum roll, Jason. Here we go. Lauren Hollenbeck.
All right, and last for elementary is, I can't put my own name in there, Kaylee Roberts.
Good job, Kaylee.
Congratulations to all our winners. Enjoy some barbecue.
Thank you so much for signing back up to serve with us another year.